Hello folks, today I decided to do a little surprise because this is the first video where I'm actually gonna talk a little. So just to do a small voiceover from my today's flight, which was in quite windy conditions. It was sunny, but it was cold and it was windy. This time around I actually decided to use a different prop. It was 9-inch APC 9x5 super prop to try. It's a very stiff and very heavy prop. I had no idea what to expect, but I still decided just to use it. And as it turned out, it wasn't such a bad idea. So Wing was launched against the wind. I was blinded by the sun, so I had no idea where she was going. I just knew she went up, and it was a successful launch, so no issues there. It was really cold, and I thought it will be just a bumpy ride, but it actually wasn't. It was pretty solid, stable and pleasant flight. Going up the wind, I was in between 40, 50, 60 kilometers an hour, but the lower the ground, the wind was actually worse, surprisingly, and there was more turbulence. So I had to pump up my throttle up to the 60%, round about 60%, and she was flying fine. So going south into the wind, fighting with the wind, it was still pretty decent, 10 amps, 9 amps roughly. Then I was turning north and I had a backwind going up to 120 kilometers an hour. And again, it was pretty steady, pretty solid. Not so much vibrations and unexpected turbulences over there. I did quite a few circles and just flying up the wind, back with the wind, and then I landed on my dune. I didn't destroy anything, so I kind of used to the limited space for landing. Sometimes I end up being upside down, but it's not a problem. So at the moment I'm writing article, which is the review of this AR Wing Pro. It will be published on my website, www.artfpv.com. I hope it will be there in a few days, because I kind of made my mind what do I think about that wing after about 5 flights I had so far. So in short, what can I say about my impression about this wing is that I like it quite a lot after all that testing I did. I'm not gonna go into details not to spoil my article on the website, but initial flight I wasn't happy really, and the second flight I did auto tune and the weather was slightly better, so my impression was better, and the more flights I did, the more I liked it. So I hope you can see it soon on my website if you like. I will share all the posts on the INAV group, on the ZoHD group, and yeah, I will also post a link to my review in this video, so you can check it later. So that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed my little voiceover. I've never done it before. I never planned to do it, but I think it's just one of those things. If you don't do it, you're never gonna find out how it is. So take care and see you in the next one. Approaching destination, landing in about 15 seconds. Welcome to Aberdeen.